Hey guys, 𝐵𝐻𝑒 Academy is going to launch prelims crash course for the year 2024, where the features will be providing 3 to 4 hours of daily live as well as recording classes. Study materials will also be given to you all. The study materials will be hard copy, which will be sent to you through courier as well. Now, we'll also be providing prelims specific daily MCQ materials. At the same time, 1 year of Assam specific current affairs will be provided to each and every students, and this will be provided in soft copy. At the same time, monthly magazine of last 1 year will also be provided in the form of soft copy. CSAT classes will also be provided to each and everybody. At the same time, mock test will also be accessible to each and every students whosoever are enrolling to the crash course of 2024 prelims of APSC. And the mock test will absolutely be online, which will be very much easier and convenient for each and every students to appear for. Now let's jump on to the very important aspect of this course, that is the course fees. Yes, if you are excluding the mock test, then the course fees available is for 6,000 rupees. But if you also want to opt for the mock test, then you need to pay 2,000 rupees extra. Guys, for any further information, you can log on to our website 𝐵𝐻𝑒academy.in, or you can also call to us in these given numbers. Thank you.